Hello, friend. Hope you are doing well. In our previous video, we are completed actually our design section. We have also stay in the product create module. So we are completed our design already, and now this the most important things we are handling the more logical part. Actually, here is this our main section actually our project. To be honest, this little bit of complex, and here is our live URL as well. So we need for not yet. Just go to the product first. Here is this also first create product, and also this is the product setting, and also the additional images, and look at that. Here is yes, there is a two things, and also for other crude operation as well. So now go to the VS code and should take action. Yes, perfect. Here is our VS code, and here is this is a lots of things. So this is our web, and we are actually using for resource controller as well. Go to our product controller. We make some function here, index and created, and now we jump to the store function as well. So here this is this function is to store it. And so before now we need to create the request first. PHP artisan make a request. So product request. Perfect. Okay, now this is this the things is product request and task to request. Okay, perfect. Now before this we need for services as well. So just got the class as well. Product service first, right? So now here is this way. Here is the services. Now this is the product service.php. Perfect. And here is this repository. Here is the product repository. That's fine. Perfect. So here is this product controller, and first we just ensure for this product service first. Here is this, and this is the public function construct. Looks like here, and close the parenthesis, and this is the product service. Okay, so we not created product service as well. So later we just created, we just define first, and now passing parameter and just create it. Here is this product request. Constructor will be built in here already. So now here this product service save product and request. So now we need to create a save product function as well, and also for return redirect successfully. Perfect. Now go to the jump the product service. Okay, so and here go to the PHP. Now put the namespace. Here is this, and assign the class first, and close the parentheses as well. Perfect. Okay, so now build a constructor first, because this constructor comes from the repository. We don't created any repository here, but later we just created. So now here is this is a product controller, and look at that. This is a two parameter is be passed: validated data and request file image. Perfect. And now we just created also the same things, passing the two parameter with the data, like here and like there. Perfect. Now and create a repository as well. Oops. Okay. Okay. Here's this. Now here is the repository as well. And now first done the PHP. Perfect. Uh, just put the namespace first. Mention the class. Perfect. And close the parenthesis. Initialize this. This is the trait. Because of that, image data will be passed in there. So here the file upload trait, and just initiate the file upload trait is looks like whatever. And here this is the trait. Perfect. Now we just save product means it's the repository comes from this. So yet, and boom, this is the save product. Perfect. And this is the product model is called for new product. And here, so here is this product, and here, so handle file uploads manually. Actually we just upload to the, yes, and this is the images, and this is this save the things. And here, perfect. And now this is the product service, and mention the product repository. This is the product repository, and go on the product controller, and here is this constructor. It just initialize the data like product service. Perfect. Now our look at that. Our system is very simple, as a very scalable. Look at a controller. Look at a service. Look at a repository. It's a real industry-oriented pattern for Laravel coded. It is very important. So now here is this things. It will be completed for this store. Now go to the browser first. Browser. So go to this. Just reload first. We just need to try for looks like this similar. Yes, this we just try for this copy data. Okay, here is this, and this is the category. We just for this chicken is picked up. Okay, and here is this. We just try for our original data. Price will be 30. and offer price is 25.00. No short description, no long description. Today's special. We just pick the year, status active, no SEO title, and no whatever. Just for save. How? What the things? 403. The action is unauthorized. What this? Oh, maybe this the mistake here. I just understand. So go to VS Code. Here, just before that, the problem is arise for product request. And first of all, you just for true, ensure it's true. Okay, so first to go to the route pickup. Because of that, this look at that and go to the return first and just boom and create. This the route will be the product first. Okay. Now this the given the condition of product ID. That's my mistake in here. Just in here. Not there and here. And now also this is the image format or also the product format in everything. I just here is this all this available code. You will get a GitHub as well. So later I will discuss about the intercode things where you get and grab. And so now for format document, and look at that. This is the email, image nullable images. So look at the PNG, JPG, and this is the product name is required. It's a slug is automatically generated, and so same slug are not arise in the database. So that's why we just create the logic as well. Okay. So no price. This is the offer price, short description, long description, today specialist, and everything. Actually, this is the request file. Okay. So now go to the browser once. Here is this. Now once again, just click the request, and I don't know what's happened. Just keep wait. Okay, that's the problem for this our model. Okay, so now go to VS Code, and here first go to this product model. Here is this model, and here is this protected, and look at it. We must need for protected. What? Just need to copy first. And I hope the problem is resolved. Just reload once again. Data is created and just go to the product. Oh, no data is available. So once again, we just created for, and here, just go to there. I just check for, yeah, look at that. Here is this data is updated in here. Okay. So not the data is for this image and for other things. Okay, just for try for another things. So in there, go to the products. Try for another look at this. This is chili paneer. Okay, and here we just image save first, and here put the image first, second. Automatically slug is generated and sub product category. Once again, this is chicken, and price will be $20. Offer price $80, $10, and today special. And we just pick the yes and look at the save. Forester show active, and yes, look at the product created. I believe so far this product is not showing in here, but later we just fix it. Okay, later in this fix it. So thank you so much. All of this today is completed, and we just in the next section we just show the product also as well in the product table. Okay.